401k to Gold IRA Rollover Guide 2022. How much do you know about gold and investing in it? If you're like most Americans, not much. But thanks to the increasing cost of living in the US, it's no wonder more and more Americans are considering gold investments as an alternative to 401k plans and other retirement savings accounts. To help you get started on your 401k to Gold IRA rollover journey, we've put together this comprehensive guide on everything from what makes gold so valuable to where you can buy bullion in the first place. A brief introduction. Let's talk about what exactly a rollover is. For starters, Gold IRAs are more flexible and tax-advantaged than 401k plans. And when you want to get started with a Gold IRA, you can perform an in-kind rollover, also known as a direct trustee-to-trustee transfer. If you don't know what all that means, don't worry, we have all of that information for you here. We have a rollover guide on our website where we outline everything from how to choose your new account to how to complete your first transaction. But before we dive into our in-depth step-by-step guide, we want to explain a few things. A rollover is essentially a transfer of assets, in this case, your 401k plan account, from one company or financial institution to another. In many cases, it's an indirect transfer between your current retirement account and your new Gold IRA provider. Basically, you're transferring everything over from your old 401k plan account to your new Gold IRA in one transaction instead of two separate ones. How does a 401k work? A 401k is an employer-sponsored retirement plan. The biggest benefit of a 401k is that your contributions are not taxed until you retire and withdraw them, at which point they're taxed as ordinary income. A regular savings account or mutual fund requires you to pay taxes on your contributions and interest earned every year, which can make saving for retirement more expensive than necessary. If you have a 401k, ask if your company offers a match. That's free money. If it does, consider putting in enough to get that full match every year. Once you reach age 50, it's even better to bump up those yearly contributions so that all that money can grow tax-free for years to come. There are three main types of 401k plans: traditional, Roth and rollover. Each comes with its own set of rules. Most employers offer all three, so don't worry about picking one over another, just sign up for whatever you want. The traditional plan gives you a big tax break now and then later when you retire and start taking withdrawals, but your money grows at a slower rate than it would in a Roth. A rollover account is an option if you have an existing 401k or individual retirement account, IRA, that you want to bring into your new employer's retirement plan. This just means transferring ownership of those assets into your new employer's retirement plan rather than keeping them in their original accounts. What is a self-directed IRA? A self-directed individual retirement account, IRA, is a type of traditional or Roth IRA that allows investors to put their contributions toward alternative investments, such as real estate and precious metals. Self-directed IRAs are similar to regular IRAs in that they're both tax-advantaged accounts designed to help Americans save for retirement. But unlike a traditional or Roth IRA, which comes with limitations on how you can invest your money, with a self-directed IRA you have much more freedom when it comes to directing where your money goes. Since 2009, these accounts have been expanding exponentially. In fact, by late 2012 there were about $50 billion in assets held in self-directed IRAs, with another $100 billion expected within 3 years. With that said, a self-directed IRA can still be an excellent option for those who want to invest their retirement funds in alternative assets. And there are several advantages of using a self-directed IRA for these purposes. First, you have more investment options than what's typically available through traditional IRAs or 401ks. You could use your self-directed account to invest in real estate or private loans, precious metals, personal business opportunities and much more. In addition, you're not required to make yearly withdrawals from your self-directed account like you are with other types of retirement accounts, which means that you can keep your money invested in alternative assets until you need it. The steps for doing a rollover. If you want to know how to do a rollover, then first get familiar with your options. By rolling over your 401k into an individual retirement account, IRA, you'll be changing one account into another. Here are some of your rollover options. You can transfer all or part of your 401k plan balance from one employer's retirement plan into an individual retirement account established for you at a different financial institution, an in-plan rollover. An in-plan rollover allows participants to consolidate multiple 401k plans within one IRA. This option is only available if your plan document allows it, and if it does not restrict certain types of investments or allow in-service withdrawals. You can do a trustee-to-trustee transfer. You can make a direct rollover from your old 401k plan to your new one, which allows you to consolidate multiple plans into one IRA. This is generally easier than cashing out and having to recontribute at a later date. The best way to ensure that you are fully reimbursed for all of your contributions is with a trustee-to-trustee transfer. Setting up your account. A 401k to Gold IRA rollover starts with opening a precious metals account. This can be done through many different gold dealers, including Goldco and Augusta Precious Metals. Then you'll have to purchase your gold or other precious metals from them in a process called delivery. Some companies will allow you to do a partial delivery on your first transaction if you're not sure about how much bullion to purchase. Once your order is placed, it will take a couple of days for delivery, usually by registered mail. Once they've received payment in full, they'll deliver your gold or silver bars and coins to you via registered mail as well. Once you've received your precious metals and logged them into your account, it's time to transfer ownership of those assets to your IRA. You can do so by filling out an account setup form and sending it along with a check for $25 or more to fund your new precious metals IRA. Some companies will allow you to send a wire transfer of funds if you prefer that method. You'll also need an assignment from your old 401k provider stating that they will accept any distributions from your former plan on behalf of your new custodian. The final step: moving money from one account to another. Once you have opened your new precious metals IRA, there are 3 steps to move money from your 401k or any other investment account into it. 1. Inform your current investment house. First, you must contact your current custodian and inform them that you will be moving all of your money out of their hands by rolling it over into a gold, silver-backed retirement account. 2. Obtain a deposit slip. Next, ask your current custodian for a check-style deposit slip for an electronic transfer, ACH. If they do not have these available, or if you feel uncomfortable giving them such information in writing, ask them for something with which to print off some kind of statement showing how much is being moved and where it is going. 3. Begin the transfer. In order to begin moving your money, you will need to transfer it from your 401k or other investment accounts into a brokerage account. This is called an ACH transfer, and once you have initiated it at your current bank or broker dealer, it will take approximately 1 business day for them to complete. Then, simply go online to your new precious metals broker's website and tell them how much money you want to be moved from your previous investment accounts over into their custody in order to open up a gold, silver-backed retirement account. At that point, they will initiate the funds transfer and all of your money should end up in their possession within a matter of hours. Learn more about gold IRAs and investments by visiting our website at goldira-rollover.com. Thanks for watching.
Have you seen our inflation and retirement calculator yet? Get instant information on cash and inflation, asset growth and inflation, cost of living increases, and your retirement scenario. Just go to inflationcalculator.us to get instant information. You'll be glad you did. Thanks so much for watching. Visit our website at goldira-rollover.com to read more about gold investing, retirement, and much more. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks.